Hey ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at short form division again today, and I wanted to look at this because when I saw our work from the other day, it wasn't quite where I wanted it to be, so I wanted to practice a few more with you. So go ahead and write down the problem, 837 divided by 4. And basically, again, just what short form division is it's doing division without doing the whole long division process. It's putting part of that long division process into our heads. So let's look at this one. So the first thing we need to ask yourself every time, just the same as long division, is will 4 go into 8? I know 4 will go into 8. If I have two 4s, 4, 8, twice. There's nothing left over because 4 goes exactly into 8 two times. There's nothing left over. So there's no remainder. So I put a little 0 in front of the 3. 4 goes into 3. Well, will 4 go into 3? No, it's too big. Here's 4. 4 little 3s, too big. You won't fit in there. Too small. So 4 goes into 3 0 times. And now if I try to put 4 into 3, it'll go in there 0 times. I still have that 3 left over. When I have the 3 left over, I put it in front. Kind of like carrying almost. I'm just putting whatever's left over in front of the next number. Now I ask to myself, will 4 go into 37? Well, let's count by 4s and see. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. It won't fit in there one more time. That would be 40. That's too big. So 4 fits into 37. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So it'll fit in there 9 times. Now I see 36 was 1 away from 37. So I had 1 left over, or remainder 1, because there's nowhere to carry my 1 to. So that's what short form division is. I see if it goes into the number. I put how many times it goes in there, up here, and then whatever's left over goes in front of my next number. Let me do another one for you and let you take a peek at it. Alright, so let me look at another one for you. Write down the problem, and it's important you write it down and do it along with me, because that's really how you're going to learn, by actually doing the steps. Let's do 746 divided by 6. And I'm going to go through that same step as I did last time. So I'll say to myself, how many times will 6 go into 7? Well, if I count by 6, it's 6, 12. 2 would be too many, but 6, it definitely fits in there 1 time. And I know in my head, if 6, it goes into 7 once, I know it's 1 away from 7. So I know there's 1 left over. So I put that little 1, whatever's left over, goes right in front of the number next to it. So now I can say to myself, will 6 go into 14? Well, let's count by 6s. Get that out of the way. 6, 12, 18. 3 6s would be 18. That's too much. But it does go in there twice. 2 times. And how many is 12 away from 14? Well, 1, 2. So I have a remainder of 2, where I put a 2 in front of my next number. Now, will 6 go into 26? Yes, it will. How many times? Let's count it out. 6, 12, 18, 24. One more 6 would be 30. That's too many, so it went in there 4 times. And how far was 24 from 26? It was 1, 2. 2 numbers away from 26, so I had 2 left over. There's no number over here to put the 2 in front of, so I just have a remainder of 2. And that's what short form division is. Again, just making it a little shorter for you to do. You don't have to do all the stuff down here. Now, is that complicated for you? Is it too hard? That's okay. Do long division. Either one works. Whatever works for you quickly and accurately is what I want you to do. I'm going to put one up on the screen for you to try now. Let's see. Let's try maybe a medium hard one. Let's go 629 divided by 5. Now go ahead and pause the video. Again, make sure you're pausing the video when you're practicing these. Don't just wait 10 seconds and wait for me to come back and tell you the answer. Try it. It's going to make you better at math in the long run. So pause the video, take about 10 seconds, or take as however long you need, and then come back and let's look at it. Okay, short form division. Let's try this one out. 5 goes into 6 one time. And I know 5 is 1 away from 6, so that's 1 left over. 5 goes into 12 2 times. And 10 is 2 away from 12, so that's 2 left over. 5 goes into 29. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 times. And 25 is 1, 2, 3, 4 away from 29, so there's 4 left over. There's no number over here to put the 4 in front of, so I have a remainder of 4. Hope that's making a little more sense to you, how to do short form division. I'm going to have you come to class tomorrow, try a few of these, try short form, and see how you were doing on them. Have a wonderful evening. Goodbye.